Hey guys, so basically I don't normally do reviews like this, but I'll do it for this one because I am the husband of a gluten-free spouse, and one of the biggest problems I have with my wife is finding things that we can both eat and both enjoy together that doesn't taste like cardboard and actually has some flavor to it, or doesn't require that you restrict your diet, things like corn, rice, that kind of stuff, to avoid anything with potential gluten in it. So this is a brand that I picked up at Sam's Club. It's called Sonoma flatbread. This was two pizzas for $12 and some change, so you're talking about like $6.50 per pizza. So that's a good price considering if you go to any given grocery store, you're gonna have to pay $10 for one pizza typically. It's a 3-meat pizza, which is also good considering that we often deal with pizzas that are when they're all gluten-free, so often they're also like vegan or vegetarian because they're kind of like combining and trying to hit two markets at once. But this has 3 meats, and the meats are of decent quality. They tasted just fine. And after we get the package open and conduct a little bit of topping triage, we can rearrange the toppings because they kind of all fall to one side because the way they're stacked at the grocery store on their side. But you can just rearrange and get things where they're supposed to go. This has sausage, pepperoni, ham, as well as I believe it's provolone cheese shreds on a flatbread. This is like a thin and crispy pizza. That's the closest kind of equivalency I can give it. So it cooks in about 10 to 15 minutes. I cooked it a little bit longer because I like mine more crispy, as is my wife, and there's all the little piecey parts, and just so you can see the general quality of the meat. And then we'll just pat it down, make sure it's, my wife's OCD, make sure it looks nice. Heat it at 425 for about 10 minutes if you like it soft, about 15 if you like it crispy, and you'll end up with some nice little results. And at the end, you get to see my son kind of work on this. You'll see a dirty bun. He's got nice long hair that he donates every year. And you also see mine getting ready to donate right there. And my dirty pans. Don't judge me. I'm a parent and I'm a teacher. It gets exhausting. My kitchen's dirty. But we see it cooking there, or we see it frozen inside there, inside the pizza pan. And very quickly, it doesn't take long, 15 minutes, and you have a nice fresh flatbread crispy pizza. There you go. A little bit messy because I wasn't good about the toppings apparently. And then we throw it on top of the cutting board. The first time I cooked it, I went for 9 minutes, and it felt like the middle was still a little doughy for my taste. Some people like it that way, others don't, so just kind of go with that, personal preference. And there you get the nice finished pizza. We're going to slice it up real quick and then give it to the pickiest eater in the house, who is my son, and we'll see what he thinks of it. Going to slice it because we want everything even, again, because we don't want itty-bitty slices. But my son is by far the biggest eater in the house. My impression of the pizza, because he'll just give you a thumbs up because he ended up liking it, and he looked so cute when he did it. But if you can appease the 8-year-old, you can pretty much get things done. But the only thing I will say about it, everything tastes great on the pizza, but the sauce, that tomato sauce, is a little sweet. So if you're not used to sweet sauces on pizza, this might be a little bit too much for you. But again, for the price point, this makes it so I can cook food with my wife and eat it and have dinner, and not have to basically cook 2 meals or cook something that's unsatisfactory to one of us, and one of us has to just kind of deal with what we got. And again, gluten-free for us has been one of the hardest things to cook for, just because it gets to be so bland, and we don't get to enjoy some of the basic foods we enjoy so much. And in this case, it's pizza, and it's very enjoyable, and it is not low carb, so just keep that in mind. So it's not going to be a low carb option, but it was very, very good. And there you see, he likes it. He likes the taste. He enjoys it. So the pickiest eater in the house enjoys it. But overall, really happy with it. Sam's Club had it for $12.50 for 2. So you're looking at a price point of like $6.50 with tax per pizza. And again, compared to grocery store prices where you're buying one at a time, they go for like $10 to $12 depending on the brand. So it's a good savings just to be able to get almost 2 for the price of 1 compared to other stores. So thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like and subscribe button if you found the review helpful, and have a great day.